Hey, George, I was looking for you. How was school today? Hello, Dad. Are you working on the garden again? Oh, school was good. Yes, I was planting some new flowers. So, how was your math class? Math? Oh, we had a math test, and I think I did well. Also, in science class, we learned about the solar system. It was interesting. That sounds great. I'm happy to hear that you're doing well. Well done. And what about history? Is still your favorite subject? Yeah, I like history. I like learning about how people lived in the past. But sometimes I feel like school is just the same every day. You know, subjects, homework, tests, again and again. I see. School can be like that, but it's all important, right? Yeah, maybe, but sometimes I wonder, why don't we learn about real life stuff? You know, like how to do taxes, how to save money, how to invest. Nobody talks about money at school. Isn't that weird? That's a very good point, George. It's strange, isn't it? We study algebra, geography, but no one teaches us how to manage our own money. Exactly. Speaking of money, that can I borrow $20? I want to go out with my friends later, maybe to the movies or to the arcade. $20? All right. Wait. Didn't I give you $20 yesterday? Yesterday? Oh, yeah. Yes, but I already spent it. Already? On what? What did you buy or what did you do? Tell me. I bought a game for my phone and the snacks. I didn't think I would need more today. Well, George, that's exactly why we need financial education. See? You're not sure how to plan your money. It's okay, you're young, but this is a perfect example. Yeah, I guess I don't really think about money that much. I mean, I don't know how to save or budget. No one ever taught me. And that's the problem. School teaches us many things, but not how to survive financially in the real world. You know, most adults don't learn about money until they make big mistakes. Mistake? What kind of mistake? Like getting into debt? Exactly. People use credit cards without understanding interest. They borrow money, don't save, and live paycheck to paycheck. And all of that could be avoided with basic money lessons at school. But why don't they teach that? Why is money not part of the school program? That's a big question. Some say it's because the system is very old. The schools were made to prepare people for jobs, not life. That's the truth. They focused on reading, writing, and discipline, not money. But we use money every day. That should be one of the most important things. I agree. Some schools are starting to add financial education, but it's not enough. We need classes about saving, budgeting, investing, credit, and even understanding taxes and bank accounts. That could be great. It would help a lot. I think I would enjoy that class more than algebra. I bet you could. And it would prepare you for real life. When you grow up, you'll have to manage your salary, pay bills, maybe buy a house or a car, because no one teaches you that. That sounds scary. I mean, what if I never learn? Don't worry, son. You can learn here with me. I will teach you. We can start simple. I'll show you how to create a weekly budget. I'll help you track your spending and even save a small amount every week. Really? That sounds cool. I want to understand how money works. I don't want to always ask for it and then run out fast. I don't like it. That's the spirit. It's not about how much you have, George. It's about how you use it. Even if you earn a lot, if you spend everything, it's like you have nothing. So people who earn less but save more can be in a better situation? Exactly. And people who invest wisely learn how to grow their money and avoid that. They have freedom, financial freedom, and that's good. I like that. I like that idea. Freedom, not always worrying about money. Yes, money can't buy happiness, but it gives you options. And knowing how to handle money is part of being responsible and independent. I think every student should learn this. Maybe one day schools will change. I hope so, son. One day, I hope financial education becomes a regular subject, like math, but until then, we have to teach ourselves and learn from others. Thanks, Dad. I'm ready to learn. Can we start tomorrow? Let's see. We can start right now. Go get a notebook. I'll show you how to make a simple spending plan. It's very useful. Awesome. Let's do it. I like that idea. I'll bring a notebook. And George, I'm proud of you. You asked the right question today. Why don't we talk about money at school? It shows you're ready to grow. Thanks, Dad. I want to be smart with my money, and one day I'll help others too. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.